here's an update with the dishwasher dirty clean device. So whoops, throwing it off. So we've placed the front face on now and it's being glued down and it's just holding, so it's almost there. I won't try and move it because it's just come off. I'll have to put it back on. So there it is, and it will be available soon. Okay, some new things to look at. We got these tiny little poker cards, and they will be going into a set of coasters that we're looking to do, but we'll be having coasters soon with the same kind of color, hopefully. We don't know how it will come out. It will be using a different set of plastics, but yeah, this is where we are with the dirty clean dishwasher sign device. All right, thank you.